Alright, welcome back everybody. I'm IndieJones. Here we are. We're playing Stardew Valley. Pretty neat looking game from what I've seen so far, so I dig the old school pixel graphic style, and I do like the Harvest Moon style gameplay. Played Harvest Moon back in the day when I was a bit younger. So let's see. Alright. IndieJones. Farm name. Jonesy Farm. My favorite thing. Games. Animal preference. Cat or dog? Well, I am a cat person. And dude. Oh, it can be purple and shit. Let's see. Yeah, that's pretty good. Oh, that one's got a skull on it. Yep. Ooh, and a beard. Yeah, that works. Yeah, eye color brown. Hair color brown. Pants, blue jeans, yep. Alright. Here we go. Let's check out this intro. And for my very special grandson, I want you to have this sealed envelope. Okay. No, don't open it yet. Have patience. Now listen close. There will come a day when you feel crushed by the burden of modern life. And your bright spirit will fade before a growing emptiness. And what's up with the sword? And is that like a picture of Cthulhu on the mantle there? I don't know. When that happens, my boy, you'll be ready for this gift. I mean, keeping a sword above the fireplace, and he's got like a little alien dude there, and like a picture of Cthulhu. Oh. Oh, those desks are nasty. Terminated. What? I like the cowboy. Okay, so the cowboy guy is pretty funny. Joja. Okay, water. Okay, I can do it. Water. Alright, dear IndieJones, if you're reading this, you must be in dire need of a change. The same thing happened to me long ago. I'd lost sight of what mattered most in life, real connections with other people in nature. So I dropped everything and moved to the place I truly belong. I've enclosed the deed to that place, my pride and joy, Jonesy Farm. It's located in Stardew Valley. On the southern coast, it's the perfect place to start your new life. This was my most precious gift of all, and now it's yours, and I know you'll honor the family name, my boy. Good luck. Love, Grandpa. P.S. If Lewis is still alive, say hi to the old guy for me, will ya? Yeah, we can do that, Grandpa. We sure can. Anything's better than sitting in a shitty office all day. Alright. Moving on out to the country. I wonder if we can grow peaches. Peaches for you and peaches for me. Alright, so the bus has arrived. We are there. Hello, you must be IndieJones. I'm Robin, the local carpenter. Major Lewis sent me here to fetch you and show you the way to your new home. He's there right now, tidying things up for your arrival. Why is the mayor, like, already in my house? The farm's right over here, if you follow me. There's shit everywhere. Like, it doesn't look like he's been tidying up crap. This is Jonesy Farm. Okay. Whoa! What's the matter? Sure, it's a bit overgrown, but there's some good soil underneath that mess. With a little dedication, you'll have it cleaned up in no time. And here we are, your new home. Ah, the new farmer. I don't know why they all sound like that for the guys. I don't know. Welcome, I'm Lewis, mayor of Pelican Town. But I guess Pelican Town is in Stardew Valley. I guess. You know, everyone's been asking about you. It's not every day that someone new moves in. It's quite a big deal. So, you're moving into your grandfather's old cottage. It's a good house. Very rustic. That's usually a way of saying it's about to fucking collapse. Very quote-unquote rustic. Means it's a... The house you're moving into is a piece of shit and it might kill you. Yeah, see? Rustic? That's one way to put it. Crusty might be a little bit more apt, though. Rude. Don't listen to her, IndieJones. She's just trying to make you dissatisfied so that you buy one of her house upgrades. Ooh. Anyway, you must be tired from the long journey. You should get some rest. Tomorrow, you ought to explore the town a bit and introduce yourself. The townspeople would appreciate that. I'm sure they would. Oh, I almost forgot. If you have anything to sell, just place it in this box here. I'll come by during the night to collect it. So... you don't sleep at night, apparently, and you... go by people's houses to pick shit up to sell for them? It's kind of creepy, Mr. Mayor. Makes me want to close the shutters on my windows, because I feel like you're going to be peeping on my D while I'm sleeping. Progress saved. Okay, so we move with WASD, we hit shift to run, and we check things by doing this. Okay. Alright, I got some parsnip seeds and a journal entry. Received 15 parsnip seeds. Here's a little something to get you started, Mayor Lewis. So wait, oh, holy shit, now he's been in my house while I was sleeping and left a package of seeds for me. What a fucking creepo. Oh yeah. It must be gas powered, because I can just turn it on and off. Oh, a decorative bowl. Select the channel, weather report. Welcome to Kozu 5, your #1 source for weather, news, and entertainment, and now the weather forecast for tomorrow. It's going to be a beautiful sunny day tomorrow. Okay. Fortune teller? Welcome to the Welwick's Oracle, the only show where the voice of the spirits is channeled directly to you. Spirits are very happy today. They will do their best to shower everyone with good fortune. Living off the land. Welcome to Living off the Land. We're back again with another tip for y'all. Now listen up. This one's for all you greenhorns out there. Chop wood and search for a wild forage to earn some cash while waiting for your first harvest. Okay. Sounds good. What do we got here? We got an axe, we got a hoe, a watering can, a pickaxe, and a scythe, my seeds, and a decorative bowl. Yeah. Let's get rid of stuff. Yeah, let's clear all this out. Clear it out. Rah, get out of here. Let's get all this shit out of here. Yeah, clear it. Alright, so we need to get all of our land cleared out so we can actually do something with it. Pickaxe? Well, at least I don't have to sit here and bang away at it for a while. I just hit it once and bye-bye. So that's not too bad. So we're gonna mine all of this shit out of here. I don't have like a... Oh, I do have like an energy level on the right there. So I need to kind of monitor that, make sure I don't... I need to make sure I monitor that. No, I don't run out of all my energy, because I still do need to go to town today. Okay, so I think I've cleared out a... Well, let's see if I can get rid of this tree. How many hits does it take to get rid of this tree? Not too bad. Can I get rid of the stump? Yes, I can. Okay, so I've got a pretty decent chunk of land here. Let's put our... How many seeds have we got? 15? So we'll use the hoe. And we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we'll do... Okay, and now let's... So, yeah, this does remind me a lot of the old Harvest Moon style gameplay, which I dig. It's cool. Well, let's go into town. We got some energy left. I don't know where I'm running to or what. Oh, okay. So do I need to? The bus to Calico Desert is out of service. Well, what's this? I don't know where. Okay, I don't know. Oh, here we go. Bus stop. Okay, Pelican Town to the right. So heading to town. See what we got. Fountain. Is there another signpost down here that I'm missing that would tell me where the hell I'm going? Well, I guess this is town right here. Hey, you talk. Caroline. You must be IndieJones, the new farmer. I'm Caroline. Okay. Medical... Oh, what's this? Oh, it's the mayor's birthday on Sunday. Vincent's birthday on the 10th. An egg festival. Haley's... God, they got everyone's birthday on here. I don't really give a crap. I'm new and I don't care. What was this? No, I don't want to do that. It looked like I just pissed on the... Okay, I was accidentally using my watering can, but that made it look like I was pissing on the... on the building. Oh, that's fucking awesome. Alrighty. Hello, it's nice to meet you. That's all you gotta say to me? What is that? Oh, I just pissed on your counter. Oh, that's a... Whoa, that's a backpack upgrade. Okay, not now. Huh. Parsnip seeds, bean starter, cauliflower seeds, tulip bulbs... Jazz seeds. Okay, there's all kinds of cooking ingredients. So I guess I have to cook stuff. Shit. Peaches. 6,000? I ain't got that much. I ain't got no time for that. I ain't got no money. Can I go in this door? Can I, like, walk around and act like I'm okay, I can. I'm an axe murderer! Okay, I don't... Oh, shit, I'm about to run out of energy. Food, spirits... Dog, I don't know where I'm at. I don't know what I'm doing. Who's this old timer? George! It's irritating to have to meet all these new people, huh? Name's George, by the way. Now buzz off. Okay. I will. Jackass. I'm running out of energy, running around town, trying to figure out where I'm at. I already talked to you. Wait, my husband runs the general store here. And have you met my daughter, Abigail? She's the pale one with the purple hair. No, I have not. Jody. You aren't exactly how I imagined, but that's okay. I'm Jody. Okay. Benson. Mama says not to talk to strangers, but you seem okay. Okay. Mama says... Maru. Okay, well, I'm running out of daylight and energy. So I'm going to head back to my farm, where I probably have no food. Oh, woodpecker. And get some rest, because I used up a lot of my energies. A common material with many uses in crafting and building. Raw material sourced from plants. Got some coal. Crafting and smelting. Wide variety of uses. Fluid obtained from trees. -2 energy. Evil. Oops. 1 second. Gotta... What happened there? There we go. I got it fixed. Alright, well let's... Oops. I don't mean to axe my door down. Go to sleep for the night, yes. Your progress has been saved. Full energy. Okay, I don't know what to do about eating, because I don't, like, have a kitchen or anything here, so... Ooh, I got mail, though. Hey, I clicked the... Hello there, just got back from a fishing trip. You should come down to the beach sometime. I've got something for you, Willie. I don't know how to get to where you're at, Willie. I don't know where the beach is. I'm gonna assume it's not on my farm. So, let's go try and find Willie at the beach. Hey, what is that? Yeah, I found a leek. Found a leek, a tasty relative of the onion. Oh, I can eat that. And it'll give me some energies. So, beach. 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 Maybe this way? I don't know. Yeah, okay, that must have been right. I was just guessing. This must be Willie. Willie! Ahoy there, son. Heard there was a newcomer in town. Good to finally meet you. I'm still trying to unwind from a month on the salty seas. It was a big haul. I sold a lot of good fish. Finally saved enough to buy me a new rod. So is he going to give me his old one? Yep. It's important to me that the art of fishing stays alive, and hey, maybe you'll buy something from the shop once in a while. I could. I got a fishing pole! Woo-woo! Alright, I received a bamboo pole. How about we... trash the sap because it's bad for us and take that. Okay. Is he gonna talk more? Okay, he is. There's good water here in the valley. All kinds of fish. Oh yeah, my shop's back open now, so come by if you need supplies. I'll also buy anything you catch. If it smells, it sells. That's what my old Peppa used to say anyway. If it smells, it sells. A little bit of the old stinky fish. That's funny. If it smells, it sells. It's a, I think it's a decent motto in life. I don't know. I don't... Okay, so it automatically brought me to here, so I don't, What is that? So I don't know where I'm going to... So I don't know where I'm... Okay, maybe it's... that looks good. That looks like it... Okay, it is. Oh, shit. Now I'm in the graveyard. I don't want to be there. Since I got more energy today, let's wander about and try and figure this out some more. More people around here. Lewis, okay, so that's the mayor. It was fantastic, except you're a creepy fuck who came into my house while I was asleep. Penny, I'm tutoring Vincent and Jess today. They're a handful, but it's nice to make a difference in someone's life. What the hell is that? Oh. Okay, copper ore, iron ore, coal, and gold ore. What else do you upgrade tools? Ooh, okay, so you can upgrade from your standard tools to get better tools. And I'm gonna assume chop down trees and stuff faster. Molten metal, bubbling and churning. Metalworking blueprints. Okay. We'll take them. I'm not good enough friends with Clint to enter. Hey, Clint. No, okay, you don't have anything for me, and you're not helping me. So... what if I, no. Okay, I don't know. That won't let me do shit. Please, okay. Ooh, is this... oh, it won't let me go there. I want to follow the track. Out of order. Out of order. Oh. I want to, like, follow that wherever it goes, because it probably goes to a mine where I can get all the ore, not having to pay his crazy prices. Joja? Nope, I will not be shopping at your place, because I used to work for you, and you suck. Alex, oh hey, so you're the new guy, huh? Cool. Hey kid, the name's Pam. She looks like a Pam. Yeah, she looks like a Pam. Food and spirits. Let's go check out the saloon. Hey there, bud. Hey. I gotta come around to talk to you. I have to come behind your bar to talk to you. Well, hello there, I'm Gus, chef and owner of the Star Drop Saloon. Okay, that's all you gotta say. Whoa, a beer is 400? I won't be drinking a beer today. Let's turn your fire out. No, we can't. Big old bear. There's an arcade. Another fucking Joja company thing. Nope. Okay, I don't see a whole lot else going on around here. But a rabbit. Oh boy, let's take a look at that real quick. Nothing's changed. Okay. Let's go back in here. Let's go talk to him. Okay, we need... these take 10 days to mature, but keeps producing after that. Yields multiple beans per harvest. Grows on trellis. Plant these in the spring. Takes 12 days to produce a large cauliflower. Potato seeds. Plant these in the spring. Takes 6 days to mature. Has a chance of yielding multiple potatoes. I kind of like the idea of that. Yeah, let's go with potatoes. Let's, oh wait, I got no room. Sell the leek. I don't know. Because I can. Alright, so that gives me eight potato seeds. Or 8 potatoes to plant in the ground to make more potatoes. Because there's not really potato seeds. I don't think. I don't think, maybe there are potato seeds. I don't know, but I thought you had to plant potato to get more potato, or like the eye or something off of them. I don't know. Okay, so let's. 1. I got 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Potato, 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 potato. And water, 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 water it, water it, water it, water it, water it. Water, 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 water. Water it all. Hopefully I'm going to run out of water. I'm out of water. Can I go, like... Oh, there we go. That fills it up. Cool. Water, water, water. Alright, so it's not, I got, ooh, my axe isn't strong enough to break that stump. So, I kind of dig this. There's a lot of, like, management that's going into it. Which I think's cool. I enjoy sort of the resource management games. So this is probably something I'll play a lot of, and I love the pixel graphics. They're actually very well done. I generally don't play a lot of pixel graphic games. Yeah, I'm one of those. I like graphical fidelity and good-looking games. But this is a good-looking game. It's a very nice artistic style, and did a really good job with it. So I will be playing this one more. And seeing how good we can make our Jonesy farm here. Alright everybody, I'm going to leave this episode here. If you liked this video, zang, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, it's alright, give me a thumbs down. I understand. If you have any comments or suggestions, put it in the comments below. I do check them out and read them and respond. If it's a game you want to see me play, let me know. I'll pick it up on Steam, Good Old Games, IndieDB, Game Jolt, wherever, and record it and put it up on my channel. And I have an itch that I can't get rid of. Where was I now? That threw me off. Good Old Games comment. And if you haven't, right above me, hit subscribe. I'll make it easy for you. It helped me out a lot. So, that's going to be it for this one. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and I can't wait to have you along on the next one.